Okay. Who is Papa Echo? Papa Echo, please again. Okay. Zulu 5, Papa Echo, Zulu 5, Papa Echo, please correct me if I received your call sign incorrectly. You are 5 by 9, 59. Name is Alex, Alpha Lima Echo X-ray, Alex. And my locator is how copy, over. Okay. Please give me a second. Please give me a second. Right now I'm working without my headphones. I'm using a speaker. Please QRX for a second, okay? Okay. So my headphones are on. My phones are on. I receive you much better right now. Could you please repeat your last transmission? Okay. Roger. 4 Zulu 5 Papa Echo. 4 Zulu 5 Papa Echo. I corrected your call sign. Thank you for a correction. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. And 73 4 Zulu 5 Papa Echo from Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt. No problem. 4 Zulu 5 Papa Echo. Please work. The frequency is yours.
Okay, Mayor Raj here, Romeo Alpha Juliet. That's my handle. So I heard you, and my log shows that we have already worked in.
Victor United 2 Oscar Whiskey. Victor United 2 Oscar Whiskey from Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt.
Very good afternoon or good morning to you, old man. Please come in.
Okay. Victor United 2 Oscar Whiskey from Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt. Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt. Hello, dear Reg. Nice to meet you. This is our first QSO on Queen Oscar 100, and I believe first QSO ever. If I don't have many QSOs with people from India. Very happy to hear you. You are 5 by 9, 59, great signal. My name is Alex, Alpha Lima Echo X-ray, Alex. And my locator is how copy? Victor United 2 Oscar Whiskey from Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt.
Okay, Alex, very nice signal from you. 5-9, very nice audio, very beautiful audio from you. And my grid locator, you may have got my grid locator from my previous QSO with Maya. But anyway, I'll repeat that. November Kilo 03 Delta Alpha. November Kilo 03 Delta Alpha. Very good signal from you, Alex, and very good performance. 5-9 is a report for you with very clean audio. And mic back to you. Romeo 2 Alpha Uniform Kilo V to Oscar Whiskey.
Okay, Victor Uniform 2, Oscar Whiskey from Radio 2, Alpha Uniform Kilowatt. Thank you for your kind words and your comments about the signal quality. Right now, I'm using a 90 centimeter dish located indoor on the second floor near the window. For receiving, I'm using Bullseye LNB and SDR called Lime SDR's hardware with software GQRX, which I run on Ubuntu Linux. This is my setup for receiving. For transmitting, I'm using Aircraft KX3, which runs on 29 megahertz, which go into my homemade up converter. So 29 megahertz are converted to 2.4 gigahertz, which go into a helical antenna, 5 turns helical antenna located on the LNB. So I'm using a dual feed setup here, and probably the signal is so good because of the compressor and the equalizer built in this transceiver. Previously, I tried to use my homebrew HF transceiver. I also built radios for myself, but the signal quality it was okay, but in my opinion, KX3 sounds much better. Also, previously I used an 8-bit SDR receiver, RTL SDR, and it works okay, but I had problems receiving weak signals. So 12-bit SDR works much better on Queen Oscar 100. The weather today is okay. It is a bit cloudy, but also sunny, and the temperature is about 20 degrees Celsius. Back to you, dear Raj. Victor United 2 Oscar Whiskey from Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt.
Okay, Alex, thanks so much for explaining in detail about your setup. Very interesting to hear that. Yeah, Aircraft, no doubt, it produces very neat audio, and the quality of the circuit, the compressor, and the DSP is extremely good in Aircraft. And in comparison, ICOM, all ICOM radios are also very good in my opinion. ICOM 7100 is what I use, and the 7300 and other ICOM rigs are also very good. 9700, they're all good and very good in audio quality. And right now I'm using Pluto for transmission and receive both. I'm using the Adlam Pluto, and the Pluto is connected to a modified GSM amplifier. The amplifier module which you find in cell phone towers, it works on 2.1 gigahertz. It has been modified to operate in 2.4. I'm pushing out about 3 to 4 watts right now into a 120 centimeter dish. I have a bigger dish because we are almost in the fringe area of the satellite, so a bigger dish is required, even though theoretically a 90 centimeter dish is enough, and for receive 65 is enough, but still I'm using a 120 centimeter dish. And potty antenna, the patch antenna for transmit, and for receive I'm just using a very cheap LNB, and the SDR console software and Windows 11 that is taking care of keeping the frequency stable. Alex, and your signal is very good and very stable also because of the Bullseye LNB. Thanks so much for explaining all that to me, Alex. And Mike, back to you. Romeo 2 Alpha United Kilo V2 Oscar Whiskey.
Victor United 2 Oscar Whiskey from Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt. Thank you for the info, for telling me about your setup. I believe I did not name my power. My power is about 5 watts, 5 watts on 2.4 gigahertz. And about the stability of Bullseye LNB, for receiving, in my experience, it's not extremely stable, because during this QSO I have to tune the receiving frequency up and down maybe 100 hertz. So it's not extremely stable, but it's okay. It's okay for SSB and for CW as well. And I work mostly SSB and CW. I don't do digital modes. I tried in the past, but found it not extremely interesting for me personally. Okay, Raj. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer. Otherwise, I'm very grateful for this Q. So I wish you all the best to you and to your family, and also wish you best DX, and hope to meet you again. 73 Whiskey United 2 Oscar. Victor United 2 Oscar Whiskey from Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt.
Okay, Alex, yeah, I understand. Bullseye is not that good as people think. Okay,
I'm agreeing with you on that. I have seen another Bullseye installation in India here, and if the weather conditions are somewhat, if there is wind, then it varies a little bit. I have seen that actually. So the best way to set it up is to have a GPS duo. I have a homebrew GPS duo also, and I have modified LNBs to operate to take 25 megahertz input from the shack. So I have modified quite a few LNBs, and I have put them in use also, and they are all quite stable. If you have a GPS duo and give the 25 megahertz from the shack, everything remains very stable. But right now in this QSO, I'm not using GPS duo at all. I'm just using one of the very cheap LNB, but surprisingly it is very stable. When I turn it on, it varies very rapidly, but it goes to a particular position and then remains there. So that's the good thing about this LNB. It doesn't jump randomly. So I'm using that right now. And SDR console software takes care of locking the beacon perfectly. So that's what I've been using for many QSOs I've had on QO-100. So that's the thing, Alex. Thank you so much for all the information. Thank you. Have a very good day. 73 to you, Alex. I'll wait for your finals. Romeo 2, Alpha Uniform Kilo, BU2, Oscar Whiskey.
Okay, Raj. Thank you for your comments. Interesting thing about GPS, it's not 100% of the time available in the country where I live. We currently have problems with GPS due to, let's say, geopolitical situation, if you read the news. So in my country, GPS is not always working, and for this reason, using it right now is not necessarily the best idea. Yes. And about the SDR console, yes, I know this software, but it so happens that I am a Linux user. It is more convenient for my day job. I am a software developer, and currently for me it's more convenient, and for this reason I use GQRX, and I don't have a SDR console because I believe it's only on Windows, although maybe something changed in the past. So I have GQRX, and also I tried SDR++, I believe, SDR++, but for me it didn't work that great, so in my opinion the software is a bit raw. So yes, again, thank you for all the info and for very nice Q. So Whiskey, Victor United 2 Oscar Whiskey from Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt.
Good luck to you and best wishes to you and your family also. Bye bye. Romeo 2 Alpha UK, VU2 OW clear. Bye.
Bye bye 73 QRZ Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt.